Are you tired of trading your time for money? Do you dream of making money while you sleep? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 passive income ideas that you can start right now. These ideas will help you build wealth with little to no ongoing effort, so let's get started. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. First up, dividend-paying stocks. This is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. When you invest in companies that pay dividends, you earn a portion of the company's profits just for holding their stock. The best part? The more shares you own, the more you earn. While it requires some initial capital, the long-term returns can be substantial. Remember to research and choose reliable companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Next on the list is real estate crowdfunding. If you've always wanted to invest in real estate but don't have the capital to buy a property outright, this is a great option. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in properties with as little as a few $100s. In return, you earn a share of the rental income or profits from property sales. It's a low-barrier way to get started in real estate and build a steady stream of passive income. 3. Create and sell an online course. Are you an expert in a particular field? Why not create and sell an online course? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to share your knowledge with the world. Once your course is created, it can generate passive income for years to come. The key is to choose a topic that's in demand and create high-quality, engaging content. Whether it's photography, coding, or personal finance, there's a market for your expertise. 4. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to earn passive income is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services online and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can do this by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page focused on a niche you're passionate about. The more traffic you drive to your content, the more money you can make. It's a flexible and scalable way to build income over time. 5. Write and publish an ebook. Last but not least, writing and publishing an ebook. If you enjoy writing, this could be the perfect passive income stream for you. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can easily publish your book and reach millions of readers worldwide. Once your ebook is live, it can generate sales for years without any additional effort. Choose a topic you're passionate about, write something valuable, and let your creativity flow. And there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas you can start today. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, real estate, or share your knowledge with the world, these strategies offer something for everyone. Remember, the key to success with passive income is to get started and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom.